Michael Saylor just made a bold statement. You've got 10 years for the digital gold rush. Get your Bitcoin before there is no more for you. But what does he mean by that? By the year 2035, 99% of all Bitcoin will be mined. After that, the remaining 1% will take over a full century to be fully released. This means that for all practical purposes, Bitcoin's supply will be capped, and from that point on, the only way to acquire Bitcoin will be through buying it from someone else. Saylor's message, I think, it's clear. Bitcoin's scarcity is real. So he talks about a scarcity. With increasing adoption and institutional interest, the demand is going only up. This is why he calls it a digital gold rush, I think. An opportunity that may not last forever. So what do you think? Will Bitcoin's scarcity drive the price even higher, or is Saylor being a little too extreme? So let me know your thoughts in the comments below.
0.99 is January of the year 2035, the point at which 99% of the Bitcoin supply has been mined. The asset becomes effectively capped for all practical purposes because the last 1% comes out over 100 years. 0.99 between now and then you've got 10 years for the digital gold rush. You should get your Bitcoin before there's no more Bitcoin for you.